We in Danfoss want to be our customers' preferred decarbonization partner. Therefore, for the last several years, we have dedicated a lot of our new projects for solutions for heat pumps. I'm happy to be standing here next to our newest CO2 transcritical compressor of 8-cylinder going to 100 cubic meters displacement at 50 Hertz, or with other words, we complete the largest CO2 transcritical compressor portfolio available on the market, with extended envelope dedicated for heat pump applications, with a proper oil lubrication system, and with more applicable oils for heat pumps. We are convinced that this solution will really enhance the market for both cooling but also district heating. On top of the compressor, we also are showcasing several other energy-saving solutions such as ejector, industrial, large size, also changeover valves and controllers. We are very proud to support the market with this solution. We have a unique value proposition with our screw compressor. Among others, we have integrated inverter for hydrocarbons, which is the only one on the market. The compressor is the heart of the system, but the brain of the system are the controls and valves. So next to our compressor, we also show some expansion valves which are operating with the same refrigerants, hydrocarbons and low-GWP, and temperatures up to 120 degrees continuous liquid operation today, and targeting also again up to 150 degrees in a couple of years, and various other components. Therefore, we are happy to see the industry moving fast, and we are here to support.